We've just acquired, and I'm delighted to offer, this Mini John Cooper Works. Don't confuse this with a Mini Cooper S with a John Cooper Works engine upgrade. This is a proper John Cooper Works. Absolutely lovely condition. It's got the JCW body styling kit all the way around. Tyres are in amazing condition. A lower diffuser. John Cooper Works. So it's a bigger brake horsepower than Mini Cooper S. And John Cooper Works comes with the suede trim on the arms, on the steering wheel, on the dashboard. Got the full leather interior. John Cooper Works gear knob. Obviously you've got your Bluetooth telephone. Looks absolutely stunning. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.